What up, y'all? Wardstone, welcome in. How are you? Finn, my trusty Finn. How's it going? Boo Tat, first time chat. Welcome in. How are you? Sorrow. But yeah, if you had to live in a video game world for 1 year as a level 1 NPC, which game world would you choose? Hmm. Probably Stardew. Probably Stardew. I'm good. How are you? I'm doing good. Mass Effect sounds tricky. Depends on which planet you're from. He means Mass Effect. uh, I gotta ask you a question. Finn, maybe you know the answer to this. So when you look at like the list of people in channel, it's always like 15 in the same bots. What the hell are they, and should I be banning them? What are these? And maybe they're not bots, maybe they're lurkers, but they're most definitely bots. They've been here from the moment I start, every single time I've ever streamed. I think he means Mass Effect 2. Oh, 10 stream streak. Wow. We know him better than he knows himself. Maybe, that's true. Sometimes it's really hard to know yourself, and only people that watch you can really know you. You can, but they are known bots, and they never appear on the follower list. Whoa. Oh my god. A 45 stream streak. Wow. That's crazy. I can't believe you right now. Autumn 4-ton, how's it going? For the record, I am not a bot. Thanks for letting me know. I was hovering over the ban button right next to your name. Actually, that's not true. Yes, if you are a long-time lurker and you accidentally get banned one day, very sorry. But I don't think that's going to happen. Gotta eat, been at work for 12 hours and I'm not done. Finn, go enjoy your meal. Thank you for that insane streak. That's crazy. You're crazy. First time here. Well, welcome in. Welcome in. How are you? I'm just getting started. It always takes me like at least 20 minutes to get going. I'm unsure if I'm a bot or not. Well, Wardstone, if you pinch yourself, what does that feel like? Not ready for work tomorrow. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for a real job any day. Any day is just not ready for it. Ooh, but this game, I'm always ready to work in the game. You know what's kind of funny is that when I try and work on it off stream, I don't have the same like uh, brain function as I do when I'm on stream. And now when I'm off stream, it actually takes me a second to get going. I guess because I'm not like physically forced to do it. But then once I do get going, I am so much faster off stream. So I think the amount of delay it takes to get going is outweighed greatly by how fast I go. Feels like TV static. What's that mean? You just woke up. That's good. That's good. Thank you for that follow. All right. I did some cool stuff earlier. Some very cool stuff. I had this long list of items, right? This very long list of items. Bring it up. These are all the new items that I added to the game. And they lacked models and they lacked icons. Boom. They've all got models and icons now. The only things that don't have models and icons are these custom meals, which Always could be better. Do I want to make them? Not really. I don't want to make them. Nor the Pole, welcome in. How's it going? There's only one solution then. Stream for 15 minutes, then end it. So let the stream be my warm-up time, and then cut the stream, and then work fully focused. It's not a bad idea. No, that's a terrible idea. I like the company when I'm working. I'll take the productivity hit just for the company. I hope you're all being productive too. How am I doing? I'm doing good. So yesterday I went to a real life indie dev event. Darkwood, welcome in. How's it going? Yeah, I went to a real life indie game event or indie game dev meetup. I've done it once before, a month ago, but it was very busy and I didn't show off my game. And I was like a little, not taken aback, but like overwhelmed. I was overwhelmed with how many people were there and I didn't know anyone. So it was a lot. But this time it was a much smaller group. And I came prepared. I came with my laptop and an Xbox controller, but I didn't come prepared enough because I forgot my charger. So for 2 hours, people were able to try Alpine Lake. But then my laptop died and I had to stop. That's so stupid. And nobody had a Mac. So one other person had a Mac, and I asked them if I can use their charger, and I charged it for like 10 minutes, but then the event like abruptly ended. Hadouken! How's it going? Alien. Andrew, you inspired me to try making my own game. So far, it's extremely laggy, but I'm starting to understand basic UI concepts. That's amazing that I could do that. What are you making? What are you making? Tell us about it. And welcome to Game Dev. The wild, wonderful world of game dev. I had the camera over here because sometimes I just like to fly around the pathways like I'm like an X-wing in Star Wars looking for looking where to shoot my missiles. Okay, let's check out this GIF. So what do you like, running a turret? This is cool. This is your first game? First try? Pretty cool so far. Are those homing missiles? Homing missiles is intermediate level missiles. Start with non-homing missiles. 3D block style arena shooting game where players control customizable airships that can be damaged and lose parts when hit. First game ever, first try. Yeah, they're homing missiles. Chill. Chill. Out of control. So much for your first game. Crazy. Great job. Congratulations. And here I am encouraging people's first game to be a cube that can walk left and right. You're making customizable airship homing missile combat game. Crazy. Well done. Yeah, seriously, keep going. Keep updating us on your progress. A lot of first-time chatters this morning. Welcome all in, seriously. Oh, it's this guy from YouTube. Turning Cog. Did you see another one of my shorts? Thank you for the follow. No, first game should always be MMORPG. Hells yeah. Thanks so much, man. I appreciate it. Your stream has inspired me a lot. Wow. That's that just gave me chills. It gave me chills. I posted your trailer in like 15 more channels and told people to keep an eye out for the demo. Oh my god. Oh man, thank you. I really appreciate that. I can't wait to update the trailer. Today, I want to take a little bit of a pivot from working on these new items. And I want to work a little bit on controller support. I gotta update controller support a little bit more. What good is knowing people if I don't connect them? You can keep them as a secret. Your secret network of secret friends. That's always useful. All right. I have a little conundrum. I don't know how I'm going to handle this right now. I need to basically insert imagery into Text Mesh Pro seamlessly, easily. And I want to dynamically swap text based on controller or keyboard and button mapping. All these things need to exist. So that being said, how am I going to do this? How am I going to pull this off? I already know how to input imagery into Text Mesh Pro, but I don't know how easy it's going to be if I don't make a sprite sheet. So let me see how to make a sprite sheet. I always forget how to do it. I think I have a Text Mesh Pro folder. Is that true? Is that true? Am I straight up blank? Fonts, resources, sprites, speech bubble, TMP sprite asset. Look at this. Glyph. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay. Do I just make more of these and then throw my sprites in there? Is that how it works? Or do I need to... Wait, what is... So where is this leading us from? Quest indicators. Quest indicators. And then default material. Okay. Sprite atlas. So what I think I need to do is make a sprite atlas. Slice them up. So I'm using Kenny assets, right? Kenny input prompts. PlayStation 4, whatever. PlayStation 5. I'll go to PlayStation 5. Default double vector. Default. So I'm using these. Can I like select a bunch and make a texture atlas from these? What if I just be like yong, 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 and yong? Can I just like make a texture atlas? Sprite atlas, like sprite state manager? Sort of. I mean, in the bare sense, I need to make an atlas. They just need to all exist in one texture. Can I do that from here? Create atlas from textures. Let's see. Create atlas from separate textures in Unity. How to make basic texture atlases. Combining textures into atlases. This might be it. Shh, no talking. We don't listen to tutorials. I skip until I see the result I want, and then I go back a few seconds, and usually that's all you need to do. Wait. Oh, this is a texture baker component. Texture baker component. Is that a third-party thing? Find all mesh baker tutorials. Texture baker. Is it free? Texture baker Unity. Oh, go. Is it free? Is it free? Is it free? Please, please, please. 27.50. Damn it. I was just importing them as a new asset and then use the sprite editor to slice them up. But that's the thing. They're already separate. I need to combine them. Sang Chad, how are you? I don't know, Sprite. I thought it was a drink. When I was a kid, Sprite was my favorite soda. Does that make me a freak? Also, I like Pepsi more than Coke. But then as I grew up, I realized Pepsi's disgusting. Coke is superior. And then I grew up more, and now all soda's disgusting. I like water and alcohol. Yeah, because the rest of us drank root beer. I did love root beer. Let's keep searching. Maybe there's a freer asset. How to create a texture atlas in Unity. To use a texture atlas, you need to create a material that references the texture asset. Assign the mesh renderer. No. How to add different texture? No. Wait. So I've spent a lot of time on this diner because I'm trying to outdo your sick build. What do you mean my sick build? Also, you keep sending me pictures of salt and pepper shakers. Can you send the whole thing? Also, why are you making this diner? What are you doing, Cog? It lacks the charm. I mean, it looks like you're going for something realistic, so that's not fair. Realistic things have no charm. I'm kidding. Share your work. Also, Hadouken, I see what you're saying. I'm just wondering if that's a drug reference. Not certain. Can I make another one of these? Let's make another. So I'll call this like button prompts. I'm gonna remove this, none. Okay, if this is set to none, then I can't grab from it, obviously. So I need to update sprite asset. No. Can I just like make these manually? Probably not. It's possible I can have one TMP sprite asset per texture. I call them chems. Kenny prompts. So what am I using? I'm using PlayStation 5. Double? Argue Ricks. Thank you for the follow. Not double, not double. Right. Default. You, and you, you. Wait a minute. It'd probably be easier if I deselect the ones I don't use. I don't use these. Or these, or these, or these, or these. I don't use the outline ones. I don't use L3. Wait, do I? Well, I definitely don't use the outlines. I'm seeing if I can like right click on this and just create one. Outline, outline alternative, alternative outline, outline. Touch. I should use that actually. I don't use this side view. I think I use all these. Maybe? Probably not. I need to start making another releasable game here pretty soon. I want a new PC. Yeah. What are you gonna make? Do you have an idea? Any ideas? Just making a shitty asset flip like most people? How are you making an asset flip if you are modeling stuff? I think I use this. Yeah. I don't use. Okay. So this is everything I use, right? If I right click and say create, Text Mesh Pro, sprite asset. Sprite asset. What is it going to do? It made one. It just made one. And it didn't like fill in any data. So that's too bad. I have a lot of ideas, but all of them are very involved. I'm a little scared about what my next project's going to be. Starting over from scratch, knowing it's going to take years to finish, and then it taking more than that, double that at least. You guys want to see what I did earlier? I did this fun thing. Ready? So I noticed these trees are like always in the way, right? Sometimes the camera just like goes right into the trees and there's no way to like see your character. But now, what's that? What's that? A little peek through the trees, a little dithering. Whoa. Yeah. So now it's the branches still obscure your vision, but the leaves kind of fade away, but only in a circle around the middle of the screen. So I posted a tutorial on my Twitter. It's very simple. It's my latest post. It's just a couple of nodes. You can insert it into any shader, any custom shader. It's kind of fun to just fly around. I'm very distracted by the environment, as you can see. I mean, I guess I could just like one at a time, right? Let's try this again. So if I go to Text Mesh Pro, Sprite Asset. What's a style sheet? I don't even know. I don't care. So what if I did do this one at a time? What does that mean? Sprite search. There's no character table. So how are they used? Excuse me, streamer. I can't see the leaves on the trees. Can I have a closer look? Of course you can have a closer look. Where'd they go? Now, you can never have a closer look ever again. They do not exist. Munez, how's it going? Mr. Mard! Mr. Mard. I needed you the other day. I was itching for a puzzle. itching. And then the next day on Grumble's stream, he was itching for a puzzle. Where have you been? We need our puzzle. Going well, how am I? I'm doing good. Munez, from what I saw yesterday on your stream, the progress you're making on your game is crazy. Like, that was that like lizard boss and in like the fire temple, and everything was like wavy with heat waves. Oh, it was crazy. Bumblebite, what is up? Guys, go check out Munez. From what I saw yesterday, I was very impressed. This guy. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you, this guy? How are you, guy? Bro, for the longest time, I thought that was the... Wait, what? I thought that was the... What? What? What's a wasit band on your wrist? It's just the mic. This thing? I don't even know what you're talking about. It sounds dangerous. I don't think I like it. A sweatband. You mean this? You thought this was my... Because my hand's always here now? I realize I'm just kind of tired and I just need to hold my head up while I stream. My sleep schedule has changed a lot recently, so I haven't been able to drop in. I mean, yeah, it is pretty late for you. I don't blame you. Boss will have like 5 attacks. It's pretty neat. It looks good. It's looking good. All right. Yeah, so let me see if I can do this manually. Where do I use the other ones? In dialogue. Excuse me. Dialogue, conversations, locations. Nah, NPC dialogue, helper, maybe? Maybe. Has new dialogue, set active, has new chat, has chat indicator. Yeah, okay. A Wild Munez has appeared. Have not been to a stream in a while. Get in there. Chat. Here we go. Sprite index 0. This is all I do to call the other ones, but how do I call this one? Also, is there a TextMesh Pro settings? Is this it? Default sprite asset, emoji 1. What is this? Who are you guys? I don't use you. Where do you guys come from? Emoji 1. Is there a way to find all objects of like type? Like TM Pro, Sprite, but not Sprite. What are these? They're TMP underscore Sprite asset. TMP underscore Sprite asset. Sprite asset. This is just every sprite in the game. I don't know how to find custom types. I've decided to stream less due to it being summer, and I want to enjoy summer. That is outrageous. It's so hot out there. Stream more. No, I'm kidding. That's really smart of you. And I saw on your stream a while ago, you took a break and you're like, we need to normalize taking breaks. I'm proud of you. Munez, setting trends. I'm going to take a 50-minute break because of Munez today. Or I'll just eat on stream. Imagine enjoying stuff and going outside. Yeah. Swedish summer is over now. Time to take out the winter clothes again. Not even not even mid-June. We had like 3 good weeks. I don't know, I just look out my window and get my dosage. I get that. How many hours of sunlight is there a day now? Yeah, Munez, are you in the part of the world where there's very little daylight or a lot of daylight? Like, does it change drastically throughout the year? I was actually considering putting on regular pants. It was 12C when I went to work. 12C, that's pretty chilly. I'd put on pants. That's actually really cold. What? What are you talking about? Are you one of those people that always wears shorts? Daylight? Haven't seen that since my last vacation. Changes quite drastically throughout the year. Oh wow. I'm not sure how I feel living in a place like that. I'm sure you just get used to it eventually, but what I don't understand is where do I set these? Is it in tools or something? No, window, TM Pro, text, mesh Pro, sprite importer. What's sprite importer? What's this? Ooh, will this package it up for me? Sprite texture atlas. No. Texture packer, JSON array. This is going to take a whole atlas, not just single textures. What if I make them myself? What if I make the asset like the atlas myself? Should I do that? God damn it. I didn't want to, but I think I have to. Because I have so many tutorials that are just text. And I just want to be able to insert proper action button here. I don't want to like make a custom GUI. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm gonna open up Photoshop. I'm gonna go to Kenny. So how big are these images? Input prompts. PlayStation 5, default, X button. 64 by 64. So how many of these do I need? How many of these do I need? And what is well, I can just count them right here. Schema. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, sort of? And there's 17 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 17 times 5. 17 times 5, it's 85. So if I do like 10 by 10, which is 6400 by 6400, that's a weird, no, that's too big. Oh, and I missed these. Oh no, it's 17, 18, 19. So it's 19 times 5. Yeah, so it's about 100. Crap. That's not good. I could just make them smaller. So that's what I'll do. Maybe? Augie! Augie, how's it going? Oh, I missed a bunch of chat. What just happened? I had Photoshop over OBS and I just missed all this chat. The kid got me a Father's Day card and I kind of expected him to handwrite a QR code linked to a meme. That'd be ridiculous. If I could, I would like to live in a warmer country. Yeah, I really liked California, Santa Monica area. That was perfect. I miss it. Crazy, when I visited Finland, I was amazed to see the sun at 12 a.m. I would imagine that's pretty freaky. Do you have a garden? I find it relaxing going out trying to kill the weeds. They always survive. You have 2,000 square meter. Oh, square meters. That's a lot, right? That's a lot. Whatever that is in English, a plot. That's huge. Can't you just make pictogram tutorials? I could. Augie, is your demo out yet? Are you releasing your demo before you have a trailer? I'm confused. Augie, aren't you streaming right now? Is he? He would be asleep on stream. See you guys, fun popping in. I'll definitely be back. Automat, thanks for hanging. Have a good one. Automaton. I've been taught the last year that guard is not the same as tomt. Guard requires several houses. So calling it a yard is wrong. I'm confused. You're right, but yard may have another meaning in English. Pretty good size though for Sweden. A yard is like, a patch of grass outside of your front door or somewhere in the vicinity of your house. What do you think? What is a yard in Sweden? All right, I'm kind of at a loss. I don't want to brute force this right now. I don't want to spend all stream just making a texture atlas. Create texture atlas tool from sprites. Texture packer. Create sprite sheets for your game. Yay. Ah, it's Windows only? No, that's a Mac interface. What? I'm downloading unverified software off the internet. Should I? I'm scared now. Oh, wait, here's one. Oh, this is for creating... Oh, wait, no, texture packer. Add to my assets. Yeah, accept those terms. I think I just found a free one on Unity. Texture packer importer. Let's see, download. 4 megabytes. That's pretty big. Import. This Unity package has package manager dependencies. What? What does it want? This is so much just to package up some textures. Do I need this example? Maybe not. Wait, I'm going to cancel this for a second. Is there a chance that this already has a packed version of it? Nah. Can't believe that it has all the vector data too. Also, what are these flares? Interesting. Just generic stuff. Spoilers, Windows looks like Mac now. Does it really? Nah. Less likely to get a virus on Mac doing sketchy shit. Yeah, it feels like that. It's pronounced gourd. More like gourd. I did just try some sketchy project I found on Reddit recently. You mean like an Unreal project? All right, you know what? I'm not gonna do this button stuff right now. I'm gonna keep going with the items because I'm feeling the failure creep in. So let's go. Let's just switch to something we know we can accomplish. We're gonna make the dehydrator item. So dehydrator. I'm gonna make the dehydrator for jerky. Bro, just drink coffee? I just had coffee. Can't have more. This the one. I'm gonna make this one. My dad had caffeine candy in his car. Caffeine? Those are great. Wait, I'm experimenting with caffeine pills. I haven't really had much caffeine in quite a long time, so I'm super energetic right now. Careful. So I want furniture. So should this dehydrator sit on the floor and maybe you can put it on a kitchen counter later, like a mixer and the hot plate? I'm thinking, yeah. So if I start with a hot plate, let's just start with a hot plate. I've quit coffee. Wait, I have quit coffee due to health reasons. Smart. I can't quit coffee. I can't quit with coffee due to other people will get health issues. Ridiculous. Trying caffeine pills to see if I get the same side effects. I mean, I wonder what coffee would have that a caffeine pill wouldn't. Let's see. This is going to be the dehydrator. See how much alike do I want these things to be? You know what? I might have to start from scratch because I don't like how many polygons that has. Oh, weird. Coffee has a lot of histamines. Oh, interesting. So you had like allergic reactions. I mean, I'm not trying to talk about your medical issues with coffee, but yeah, I've had issues with coffee, but not allergic reaction issues. More, oh God, what have I done? I drank way too much, and now I feel horrible. Oh, I can do plastic now. I just remembered. I'm using my old mouse, and I thought I liked it more, but I got so used to my new mouse that now I hate this old one. Is this the Ronco dehydrator? Yeah. Do you have an in-universe brand that mocks it? I'm not sure that like old like 80s brand of dehydrator is it's like part of the zeitgeist. Is it? I've never really heard of that. I honestly didn't even know what a dehydrator was until not that long ago. All right, so this is kind of what it looks like, right? These are the trays. Maybe I'll make it like silly tall. Not silly, but oh wait, I forgot to put a bottom of these. Is that okay? Do I need a bottom? Maybe this should be a mesh. So we can see through it instead of like this solid thing. Hmm. Well, caffeine is not a protein, so you can't be allergic to it, but coffee contains a lot of other stuff, so yeah. Caffeine tablets should work just fine. Basically, I'm super allergic to grass. So I'm taking grass allergy vaccine pills, which has a lot of grass in them. I take antihistamines for it, and then adding more histamines to that seems like a terrible idea. Oh, wow. I went to decaf coffee, but that had even more histamines in it. It resulted in me having brain fog for like half a year before I understood that it was the decaf coffee's histamines that gave me the brain fog. Wow. I'm not allergic to caffeine. It's just that coffee upsets my stomach a bit. Gotta check if the pills do the same thing. Can't be foggy while coding. It's the worst. Yeah, definitely. Can't see the solutions well. Yeah. It was the worst, I would imagine. Yeah, caffeine's not a protein, impossible to be allergic to. I have allergies every third year or so in summer. I get foggy and tired. I wonder what keeps skipping years. Can still be a mess in my stomach. It's not coffee's a mess on my stomach if I have either like too much coffee or iced coffee. Notice iced coffee with a lot of milk. That messes me up. Can the players see the food they're putting in it? Maybe. Maybe. I could do that. Actually, yeah, that's not even hard. That's not even hard. Of course. Yeah, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. So actually, instead of putting layers, I'm just going to put the one. Oh my God. Yeah, this mouse has to go. I'm going to switch mice because this one's being weird. It's like skipping around too. Hang tight. Switching mice. All right. No, it's not. I have a feature for that. It's not even hard. There we go. Oh, that's better. All right. So you know what I'll do? I'll have two layers. I'll have one layer, two layers, and then I won't need to make it mesh because they'll be kind of far away from each other. So hopefully you don't need that. And then people who say they're allergic to people who say they're allergic to citric acid and not other protein just makes me clench my fist in my pocket. Just figure out what you are allergic to instead of blaming it on a random thing you. Well, that's bullying, Hadouken. But why do you say that? I'm gonna leave that modded. But why do you say that? Is it because citric acid you can't be allergic to? There's no protein in it? Is that the idea? Right, how are we gonna make this cute? Everything has to be cute. Where's the redemption for making you use the trackpad's 3D model? Ugh, don't. I need middle click. Don't. I soften these? Yeah, I can. I'm allergic to citric acid. Change my mind. So I have a friend who is allergic to raw fruits. Any raw fruits. Or not any, but like most. It's kind of crazy. But if they're cooked, she can have it. That was the first time I've ever experienced something like that. I want to put a big old button on this. I'm allergic to everything that's not a protein. Are you telling me grass is a protein? What? What is happening with that text? How do people do weird texts like that? It's magic. Augie, you still here? We gotta design my characters. You wanna do that? You wanna hop on the call? You wanna hop on Discord? Chat? Let me summon Augie. Is he really live? Oh, he is. Let's get him in here. We'll let him. We'll let that simmer. Keep making this dehydrator item. See what I'm trying to accomplish with this like these different processors is having multiple purposes for different items. So I need more ideas like this. So like tea leaves, they can go in like almost anything and out pop something different. I need to make more use of this kind of stuff. That's fine actually. Um, what else does this thing need? Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Let me quiet the music. Do you guys hear Augie? Are you ready for this, Augie? Should we do this now? Do we need to prepare? You hear me? All right, I'll let you figure that out. Some low grill holes between two knobs. Wait, between two knobs. You hear me now, Augie? Nice. Oh, I don't care. Uh, that's a lot of points to not know. I've been there. Do you want to do some character chats? Also, everyone, if you don't know who this is, it's Augie. Rosem. This is perfect. No, I'll take you off. Does everyone hear Augie clearly, or is he coming in kind of low? You guys need. What is happening with the auto mod? It's you keep saying knob. It doesn't like knob. It's a good thing we can't be modded. All right, I'm gonna bring up my characters. We're we're looking at. You said you wanted to help me redesign my characters. Oh, oh right, through Discord. I guess I could share it through Discord because then you'll get it real time, right? Share screen. Oh, I can't share my screen using browser Discord. You're just gonna have to watch the Twitch. Is that all right? Yeah, I don't use the app. I guess I can launch it. I can launch it. I never launch it. I like the browser. It just freaks out when I try to share my screen. I think I can share Windows. Let me see if I can share a window. Share. Do you see this? Your stream is still running. We've paused this preview to save your resources. Oh, okay, cool. Then I'll just leave that. All right. Well, now Discord's opening and updating. So, guys, this is what we're gonna do. Let me just address the room. Augie has agreed to take a look at my characters and help me tweak them. So we're gonna spend a few minutes looking at them for a minute. All right. You're right. You're right. Let me bring it up in Maya. Also, Augie, how you doing? This is the first time we've ever spoken. That's great. Yeah, we've never spoken in. I know, Twitch is weird. Twitch is weird. It does feel like a long time. There's something about you. You're an open book. It's not me. All right. That's. Oh, I have to share my Maya. That's right. Let me stop streaming that and start sharing. That's the thing. Yeah, is this working? Do you see my desktop? Cool. Sweet. All right. So this is my character. Um, I have to actually. I think this is after I adjusted it. Old. Uh-oh. Where's my current character? These are the props. Who are you? Okay. Anyway, so this is what the characters are made up of. These are the props. I'm gonna hide the props. Every character is made up of this, right? Behave. Everyone behave. And they have pants, and they have a top. You know, I have like all these different tops. And then they have these different groups, you know? They got... Where'd the hair go? So all these hairs just sit on and they get swapped out. All these mouths get swapped out. They're just pieces of geo. Eyebrows. Kev! What up, Kev? Kev had an epic return to Twitch yesterday.
Yeah, was just chilling in the stream yesterday.
Was that your first time back in a while? It was a good one. Yeah, it was a good one. So Kev, what we got Augie here too. I should switch my thing to with Augie. I'm gonna switch my title.
Do I bother switching mine?
You don't have to. So Augie and I are chatting because we're taking a look at my characters and seeing how we can improve them. All right. So yeah, so I have all these different eyes, and even the eyes are pieces of geo. And this is part of it that I don't like. That each eye is geo, and that's why I can't really make them blink without like doing a single frame blink animation. Like,
yeah, I have that exact same problem because that's how my.
Yeah. And then what else? Shoes, facial hair, whatever. Yeah, there's just different props. So I'm thinking the best improvements I can do are proportions and what makes up the face and how I render the eyes and what the eyes look like.
Yeah, I was gonna say the first distinctions are proportions and then general shape.
Yeah.
General shape language.
The
we can definitely look at that. We can start going into like some sketching in a bit.
like do some drawovers.
That might also quicken things a bit.
Yeah.
We could take like maybe one of your completely empty poses and then just snapshot that. Then what we can do is we can take a look at some other games or some other references and see what they're doing well, and we can see what we can push more or how we can make it a bit more appealing and organic.
Smart.
So that would be few first steps. We don't want to go into the details yet. We want to look at the absolute base model first, and then after that we can start looking into the detail in terms of like what shapes are you using, or like these other details like counts, and we can start to come up with with some sort of like shape language or like design.
There we go. I like the sound of that. All right, so here's what I'll do. I'm gonna create just like random character, right? Something simple. No props. No
Okay.
props.
Start with don't make a new character. Just go back to like the naked character and then there. Uh,
Oh, can I
I
make
can't even the Jesus Christ. I
what's the matter?
my no my chat.
What's going on?
They redeemed the child mom do it and
You got that too?
it's horrible. I added like 20 new sounds like before the new stream, so you can expand that. But yeah, so yeah, just have like a bald character
All
with
right.
just a face and like keep them naked and then do a screenshot of that.
So maybe I'll do this I'll do it in Maya, not in Engine.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. 100%. Yeah, just do it in Maya.
Let me grab simple hair. That's simple. Okay. Oh wait, they need feet. They need feet. Oh, that's annoying. The shoes don't have, they only have left shoes. Or they only have right shoes. They don't have left shoes. Where are my
Wait,
shoes?
so how does that work in game then?
When you choose a shoe, it just automatically duplicates it and parents it to the other foot as well and flips it. I didn't want to model the same thing twice. Why would I do that? So the engine just, you know, does it for me. All right, let's take some screenshots.
The engine doesn't even like flip it or anything.
No, it does. It flips it. It flips it. It reparents it. It's smart. I like procedural stuff. All right, so here is a base character, right? We'll take this screenshot, drop it in here, and then I'll like hide the eyes, or I'll hide all the props, right?
Hide everything but the face. So like like the eyes and mouth. That's fine because it's a good way to see what the proportion within the face is as well.
So hide the hair.
Yeah, you can hide the hair. Hiding the hair is fine. Do you differentiate the models for male and female?
No.
Okay.
Should they wear pants? I feel like they need pants. They definitely need pants.
What do they look like without pants?
They look like
Okay,
aliens.
it's still the same. It's still the same general shape.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's the best way to go about this? Because we do want to figure out what the overall design does look like, but we also want a reference of what it looks like on the base of the characters. I think, I think yeah. Let's just
We'll put clothing back on her. Where's pants?
uh, just leave them naked. I think we start there and then we start placing stuff on top. That's always easier.
All right, I just sent you.
Apparently he just Jesus Christ.
What?
Okay, that is really loud. I need to lower that sound.
Is your chat blowing you up?
That is destroying my eardrum.
How important is character customization nowadays? Or is it more dependent on type of game? Bumblebite, I think character customization is still important. But what I'm trying to do is like get the characters to look good. Like I have I a lot of the characters look really bland and outdated. So I think we're just trying to bump it up to look less outdated.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right. So I think just make them fully naked and then just send a screenshot of that. And then what we can do right after is we can just jump straight into whatever
I just sent you
Standard.
I just sent you fully naked with eyes and eyebrows and mouth.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then Pinterest. I actually have a board of reference that I've saved from years ago.
Yeah. Let's take a look at that as well. I think let's take a look at that first, and then we go to Pinterest. That might.
So this is my character design reference. I originally started like liking
You're not sharing it. You're still sharing on.
oh really?
Yeah. You should change this to share your desktop instead.
I swear I did. Window. Oh, whoops. I see. Entire screen. Screen 2. This is where it never worked.
Ah, that works perfectly.
Okay, cool.
Let's
So it's a little misleading because I started in a place that I really liked just the, you can tell I really like just the black circles for eyes, like
go.
the
Yeah. The
adventure.
dot eyes. Yeah.
Yeah, Adventure
I love
Time.
that.
Hmm?
I think that's great. I think that's great.
But then I saw this guy, very famous guy. What is his name? Lucas something?
Okay.
And I thought his eyes were like really expressive and perfect. So then I started gravitating toward those, and away from the Adventure Time look. And
I
and
would question. I would question. Are you even going to use like? Do you even have eye animations like
just a blink.
eye expressions?
No, no, just blinks.
Oh, I mean, if you're doing just blinks, then you might as well just use the dot eyes instead. Yeah, then that would be a waste of. It's like extra fidelity that you're not going to actually use. If that makes sense.
I think if there can be some options with the dot eyes that can be as expressive as, with the pupil, with the color, with the highlight, because it's always very expressive when you have the layers in an eye, you
Oh,
know.
you mean like you want to have
Even something simple like
like character options for the eye color? Is that what you mean?
yeah, yeah, yeah. It doesn't have to be color, it could be shape, like shape of the dot. I'm not
Okay, so just you want more options for the eyes, like the eye design in general.
Yeah, maybe it is something simple like this. This is weird. It's like an eyebrow and then an eyebrow on the eyebrow. It kind of works.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
Let's see here.
that's kind of nice.
Okay, okay, I'm getting an idea. So this is your entire like board. Is it called a pin board? I forget what they're called.
Yeah, something like that.
So for this is a lot for faces, but for the body, you have looks like you did.
Yeah, I tried to I was pinning chibi stuff, but like I didn't want to do chibi style. I thought it was a little, I don't know, everyone's doing chibi. I just wanted to be a little different. So this was my main reference. Not super chibi, not like baby, kid chibi.
Mm, yeah, but then you don't have like an actual reference though, because that's like a not a very well drawn
No, it's not. It's not. These
reference.
guys, these guys are
You
okay.
want a better reference.
Where are we
You
at
want a
actually?
better reference.
Yeah.
Okay, I
I'm
don't know why I always end up back here, but it always seems to fit people the best. Uh, look up Pokemon Let's Go. The Pokemon Let's Go character design. Search like character designs. It's all the adult characters. They did very well, and it's not completely chibi, so it might
Oh
be.
yeah, this is perfect.
Yeah. So this is like already like project number 5, where people looking at like what do you want, and you always end up back. I don't know why.
I mean,
It's
Pokemon,
my fault, but it's
these proportions are good. These proportions are good.
yeah. So do a bit more work on anatomy though. Um, I would argue the only reason why you would want to go for this as opposed to full chibi is it actually gives a bit more detail to the body, which means you do want a different shape, the male and female body type.
Yeah, I'm not opposed to doing that. I'd probably just do it as a blend shape and kind of keep the top out and make it subtle.
What I would question is shit. I forgot what I forgot what's on my brain. Uh, maybe it'll come back to me in a second. So with this option, oh yeah, I was gonna ask. What other do you like have a bunch of different body type options? Because
No,
I see that you have like one body type.
no, one body type. If I do male and female body types, that'll be it. Those two body types with a slider in between.
Right. No, because what I was gonna ask was like, what about like, are you doing like more fat people or stuff like that? What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Let's that's a little out of scope right now. Even adding a male and female is out of scope, but I'll entertain it.
That's fair. That's fair. Yeah. The male and female body type is something that I would recommend here. Just because uh, it doesn't even have to be like you can completely tell. It's just more of a shape design thing. But yeah, looking at these characters is actually a very good reference because they have a few other ones of like adults. If I'm not mistaken. I think if you scroll down a bit,
Is that an adult?
they have
No.
a bunch of males, but these are technically adults. Yeah, yeah, these are adult characters. Because like the character that you play as is technically like a kid or something. But their sizes are very similar.
I'm wondering if this is like kind of where we're at. No, this is a little more adult. I wouldn't want them to
Yeah,
get this
very
detailed.
much. Look at the Lieutenant Surge picture at the bottom right.
Yeah, he's too chunky. Too chunky.
But basically, my point is what you want to look at here is the of these characters. So what you how wide you want them to be that's completely up to you. The only thing I want to point out is the proportions. So the size of the head to the size of the torso versus the torso to the legs, right? If you notice, if you have like an imaginary divider around the PP area there, then the legs are basically the same length as that from that middle point to the hip. So that's also something this.
Right. Also, I also should be looking at the character from this angle sometimes because this is where we see the characters, you know?
That's a good point. Yeah, I mean, this Pokemon game also plays like that.
Right.
Uh,
I want to see what's in-game footage look like. Pokemon Let's Go footage. What is it? What do the people look like? Well, I guess you do see them head on.
yeah,
Yeah, they got
yeah, I
giant
mean,
heads. Yeah, they got giant
yeah,
heads.
that's in battle though. That's in battle. So no point looking at in battle. You want to look at them walking around. There we go.
Yeah, this looks good. This
Yeah,
looks
so
really
if
good.
you're happy with that, we can use this as our board.
So so what do you think? Their heads are bigger and they have like shorter legs and shorter torsos, right?
Okay, so this is the hard part. It's hard for me to really word it out. Stuff like this is easier if I just kind of draw it. Um, with that said, how do you model everything like like what's the word? It's not freehand. It's like without a reference, like without a
Yeah, I don't. I mean, I don't have drawings that this is modeled from.
Yeah.
This
So
was.
that's probably the first step is you're going to want to have some drawings. I can do them for you. I can at least do the front and inside. It makes a gigantic difference. Because I generally use that as a front because I'm not that good at modeling. But just following the drawings to a T keeps my models pretty good. So hopefully that is something that will help you. Because I even noticed like the placement of your neck is also kind of awkward. So I believe that that's going to help as well.
Do you want like side view?
Oh yeah, yeah. Send me a side view as well. Then what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of a draw over. Uh, I'll do a little draw over to kind of show you how I would fix your vision. Then do we know what we want to do for the eyes, by the way?
Um, I mean, I want to make them better. I don't know if that means deconstructing them to dots or actually taking the anime eye even further to
I can probably give you a few options. I can probably give you.
like this is detailed. I would like to. Yeah.
You're saying?
I mean, I go back and forth. I keep pushing the eye to be better and more like this, and maybe it just will never look great until it looks like this. You know?
Did you ever actually try to implement the dot eyes, by the way?
Yes. Oh, I did actually. I have old footage of that.
One thing, one thing that you need to be cautious of, because sometimes this is like a pinball, sort of pinball, where people start falling into this thing where it's like, oh, more detail is better, which is not, it's not true at all.
This one.
Don't get that could, that uh, that could really trip you up.
This character has dot eyes, but he's wearing a stupid hat. Yeah, you can't see him. But he's got the dot eyes. I thought it was a little lame. But he doesn't have hair, he doesn't have eyebrows or a mouth. It's misleading.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. So skill is not the issue here, right? In terms of like how to model, it's just more getting the actual design.
I think so.